Today I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy bibs. Boy bibs to be exact. Let me show you. Okay, so we have this adorable buffalo check in the red and black and the black and the gray, and then this one has the eagles on it, and in the back it has national park signs. Just perfect for boys. Now, what you need to make this is a bib pattern. This is a simplicity pattern that I got years ago. It looks like it's 1564, and I just cut out this thing to make it more firm. So along with the template, you're also going to decide what you want to put in between the fabrics. Some people use warm and natural. I find that to be too thick for a bib. You could also just use a flannel for the backing, but I just had these really cute fabrics that I wanted to use up. So what I decided to use in between these is the really thin, those white bar towels. So you'll see when I explain what we need. This is the bar towel that I'm referring to, and then you'll need a front fabric, a back fabric, and a template for your bib. And I love these pinking shears. And then you're gonna need a marker and a square of Velcro. Lay your first piece of fabric facing up, and then your second piece of fabric facing down, and then your inner piece of fabric will go on top of that. Now grab your template and your Sharpie, and we're just going to trace around it. Now we're not cutting it out right now. We're going to we're going to pin all the layers together so that they will stay in place, and we'll take it over to the sewing machine now. You will need to leave an opening so that you can turn the right sides out. So I just mark mine with a pin. Now just sew right along the pen line that you drew. This is where my opening is, so I'm going to back stitch and then leave a little bit of space and continue sewing. Back stitch to finish it off. Use your pinking shears to cut out the bib, and if you don't have pinking shears, that is completely okay. You're just going to need to do little clips around the curves of the bib so that it lays flat when you turn it right sides out. Now take all the pins out, and we're going to find the opening, and we're going to turn it right sides out. And now you can sit here and watch me squirm, literally. So I usually take my crochet hook and run it through to smooth out all the curves. And because I used my pinking shears to cut the curves, you can see how flat it lays. So it just turned out very beautiful. At this time, we're going to fix the opening as well. Just kind of tuck it inside, and then we're going to iron it. And it's funny because I'm actually enjoying watching the video of myself ironing. It's just like a calming feeling. Okay, so now we're going to put it through the machine, and we're going to top stitch. So now we're going to attach the Velcro. Just get one square and put it through the machine. And for some reason, my video shut off at this time. Dude, what happened? Why did you shut off the video? Okay, but I was trying to show everybody how to sew on the Velcro. This is what happens when you let your child be in charge of the camera. We're just gonna have to reshoot that section where we would attach the Velcro, but I'll just show you here up close. So I just sewed the Velcro on like this, and then you can see it through the back. And when you do that, just make sure that you put one area sewn right here and then the other one in the back so that it snaps shut like this. Okay? Okay, so give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out my other tutorials. Happy sewing! Dude, you can't be turning off the camera.